Now comments and text, how to add comments to your MATLAB for your understanding. So that we are going to see now. So you have an option called text. When you click this text button, so you can add text for you can add text to your MATLAB question, MATLAB workboard, and whenever any text is following your percentage, it will be taken as comments, and comments will not be executed. Comments are added just for the understanding of the user. So before this gal tool, if you want to clearly know gal tool, you're writing this code now. After 5 years, if you want to take this code and learn, you remember gal tool, you will not understand what is gal tool meaning, right? For that, what you can write a comment saying this gal tool will convert from US dollar per gallon to US dollar per liter. It is a conversion factor. So if you write these comments, anyhow, these comments will not be run. Okay, so these comments are only for your understanding. So anything following the percentage is going to be comments. Okay, understand that. Anything following a percentage sign is ignored by MATLAB as a comment. So this option has to be true. Yes. So we have seen that. So anything that follows percentage is a comment, and it is not compiled by your device. It will be considered as comment, and MATLAB will ignore compiling of the lines following your command. And this percentage is applicable only for one line. So if you want to write multiple lines of code, then you have to use double percentage. So between two double percentage, whatever you type, that is again going to be considered as a multi-block comment. So you can clicking on the text. See here, I'm adding the comment to the the add to the text. So see here, I'm going to click on this text button. So you are having see you can you're having a cursor here. You can add any comments. So see here, percentage. This portion is used to load the values from the database. This is your text. This will not have any error because it's a text portion. Text portion clearly we are saying the text to indicate that this is not considered as a part of the code. But if the same text, if you want to make it on the comment, means what should I do? Use 1% below. After text, whatever you see, add comments to the code using percentage. Any text on the line following percentage will be ignored. Okay, so assume that, for example, you see here, I am giving percentage loading I use. See, this text is outside the section, not be included in your code. This text is outside the section, and this comment will be along with the code. So here, if I type percentage, it is not changing because it is a text. One percentage will be working along with the code only. So this loading value is a comment. It will not be considered for compiling. And second line, if you write from database, it will not look good. I think double percentage is used. We'll see whether it is correct. No, double percentage is not used. We have to have the comments in a single line. It is only for single line comments. So I think you understood between comments and text. So text will be written outside your code, and comments are a part of your code, and comment will have percentage starting. Anything following the percentage will be ignored by the MATLAB. Okay. And the second line, when MATLAB comes to first line, you start with percentage, it will ignore. When it comes to second line, no percentage is there, it will start compiling this particular. Okay. So we have seen how to use text and comment. So see here, one example is I'm writing for a it converts from gallons to liter. This is a conversion factor. All these for our user understanding only. MATLAB will not even consider these things.